Good morning, Class 8. How are you? Today we will continue our lesson Trade and Commerce. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the selling process and we also learned the process how goods transferred from manufacturer to the consumer. Manufacturing brings finished products into the market according to the people's requirements and choices. This process involved the manufacturers who made the goods, then these goods are transferred to wholesaler, then to the retailer, and then to consumer who uses the products. Let's see what is the role of office work. Any business has to keep an inventory of the goods offered for sale. They have to keep the record of bills paid, income, expenditure, and future orders. This work is performed by the employees hired for this purpose. They manage the administration, which is very important in a successful business. This is office work. Office workers generally outnumber people actually doing creative or active work by about 5 or 6 to 1 in the West. In addition to the clerical work for the actual business, there are also forms and information to be prepared for the government. Office workers also deal with the clients, provide information, and carry out necessary documentation and correspondence. Now comes to the stock exchange. Businessmen invest their money by buying and selling shares in a business, concern, or industry. If the business is successful, the share price rises and investor earn a profit. When the business is not doing well, share prices remain the same or fall. So there's a loss. Students, have you seen the business news on local and international television channels, which informs us of the activities of a stock exchange? Every big city like Karachi, Peshawar, Lahore has its own stock exchange. The stock exchange in New York, Tokyo, and London are very important in international businesses. Have you seen the business page of any newspaper? On this page, the activities of the stock exchange and international and national trade are reported. The stock exchange is the backbone of a country's economy. Let's see how stock exchange works. Students, business needs more capital or money than they possess. So they often ask the general public to invest in them. This is usually done in the form of share. People invest much money into the business and expect a share of the profit. These shares are bought and sold freely at the stock exchange where dealers buy or sell shares for people. The aim is to buy when the shares of a particular company are cheap. Maybe they have had a bad sales year and sell them when they are high. Maybe they are about to be taken over by a large firm or very successful in their businesses. So this is the work of stock exchange.